Hi guys, in this video we're going to see how you can restore your old photos using AI. So to restore your old photos, just click the link below this video. And it will take you to this page. Now click upload image. And select the old photo which you want to restore. Then click start to process. Once it's done, click here to preview the image. And you can see that our image has been restored. Now to download this image, just click download image. As you can see, we have got our restored image. Now if you want a better result, you can re-upload the restored photo and run the process again. So to do it, just close this. Then click upload image. Here, select the restored image and click start to process. Now if you click preview, you can see that a restored photo looks even better. And like we did before, you can download it. So that's it guys. This is how you can restore your old photos using AI.